Hello. In today's video, we are going to make this modern design using Canva Pro in less than 5 minutes. You will find a link to Canva Pro in the description. If you are new to channel, please hit the subscribe button for more design tutorials. Now let's start. First, I will open a new document size 14 by 18 inches. Then I will add a shape to the background from the Elements section. Then I will search for halftone also in the Elements section. Now let's add our text and apply some effects and choose the fonts. I will use two types of fonts in this design: Anton font and Beast font. I will duplicate the word respect and apply a hollow effect to the new copy. Now let's add the rest of the text. Now let's remove the background to download our design. You can also upload your design to Canva and use one of the mockups available under Photos. that is it for today. Please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.